Picked up a 68 Honda S-90 at Barber Vintage Festival this last weekend. So I'm doing a restoration on it. It's a little rougher than it looks in the video, but the chrome's in really good shape and it's a very complete bike. First thing I'm going to do is see if I can get it running, to kind of see what we're dealing with in the engine before we tear it down. The gas tank's in pretty bad shape, so that's where we're going to start. Get that cleaned out. If you've seen it in my other videos on the Honda gas tanks, cleaning up, that's what I'll be doing. And this one's got a Cayenne carb. The earlier ones had a Mikuni. So I'll be doing a rebuild. I got a rebuild kit on the way for that. And like I said, we'll see if we can get this thing to run and see how deep we're going to have to tear into the engine. But the rest of it's going to get cleaned up really nicely. Be a good winter project. If you want to follow along, I'm going to start here in the next few days getting it assessed, and like I said, see if I can get it cranked up and go from there. It's in pretty good shape.